So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to make your PowerPoint presentation vertical instead of landscape, here's how to switch your slides to portrait mode in just a few clicks. So firstly, open your PowerPoint presentation. Go to Design, Slide Size, then Custom Slide Size. In the window that appears, find Orientation. Under Slides, select Portrait instead of Landscape, then click OK. PowerPoint will ask how you want to scale your existing content. Just to choose Ensure Fit to make sure everything stays inside the new vertical slide. Your slides are now vertical and ready for content such as brochures, infographics, reports, or social media presentations. Now, you've turned your PowerPoint presentation from landscape to vertical in just a few clicks. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.